Hey everyone! In this video, we're taking a quick look at the Xiaomi Redmi A7 Pro, an entry-level smartphone that comes with a large display, solid battery, and essential features for everyday use. The Redmi A7 Pro comes with a 6.9-inch IPS LCD display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits brightness in high brightness mode. It has a resolution of 720 by 1600 with a 20 by 9 aspect ratio, giving you a fairly immersive viewing experience for videos and browsing. The device measures 171.6 by 79.5 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs around 208 grams. It also features a splash-resistant body, along with dual SIM support using nano SIM. Under the hood, the Redmi A7 Pro is powered by the Unisoc T7250 chipset, built on a 12-nanometer process. It uses an octa-core CPU with Cortex A75 and Cortex A55 cores, paired with a Mali G57 GPU. The phone runs on Android 16 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 3. For memory, it comes in multiple configurations, including 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM, with storage options of 64 GB or 128 GB. There's also a dedicated micro SD slot for storage expansion. For photography, the Redmi A7 Pro features a 13-megapixel main camera with an f/2.2 aperture, supported by an auxiliary lens. It includes features like LED flash and HDR and can record video up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera with an f/2.0 aperture, also capable of 1080p video recording and HDR support. One of the highlights is the large 6,000 mAh battery designed to last throughout the day. It supports 15-watt wired charging via a USB Type-C port. In terms of features, the Redmi A7 Pro includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, along with an accelerometer and compass, plus virtual proximity sensing. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi dual-band, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS with multiple satellite systems, and even FM radio. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio. The Redmi A7 Pro is available in colors like black, mist blue, and palm green. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.